Welcome to our second lesson, and this lesson is a continuation of lesson 1. Okay, now what are we trying to address here? We are trying to address linear programming, not like the first question where I sorted out the constraint, but constraints are now within the sentences of the question. So each sentence or two sentences will always give you a constraint. So you have to read carefully. Now in our case, a dealer wishes to purchase cookers and refrigerators. Okay? So our core from sentence 1 is purchase. There are items that have to be purchased. Okay? If we can focus, there are items that has to be purchased. That is the core. He can buy at most 60 of both items. Anytime you hear at least, at most, those are constraints. Okay? On average, a cooker and a refrigerator cost 24,000 each, and I must spend at least 480,000. The number of refrigerators should be at most 4 times. You see, at most 4 times the number of cookers. He must buy more than 10 refrigerators. That is a constraint by itself. So taking the number of cookers to be X and refrigerator to be Y, let us come. Sort out the question in terms of core subject, classification, and constraint. First, we see the core subject is purchasing. We are going to purchase. Okay? The core subject is purchase. What are we purchasing? Some items. And we have to know the number of those items we are purchasing. Number of items we are purchasing. Core subject is to purchase. Okay? Now, I classify. There are what items? Cookers and refrigerators. According to the question, number is X and Y. See that? It flows by itself. We come to now constraints. If you read very well, you see that the number, he can buy at most 60 of both items. So number of cookers, number of refrigerators cannot exceed 60. You can think of less but not more than 60. That is a constraint you can see now. Okay? Then we are told here that maybe I can put this a bit behind a bit. Yeah. That each cooker and each refrigerator is 24,000, and he must spend at least. So whatever is going to buy must be more than 480,000. The worst, 480,000. See. Then come to the number of refrigerators should be at most 4 times the number of cookers. 4 times cookers. Cookers, the number is X. That one is a direct one. 4 times X, 4X. Okay? So we are told the number of refrigerators should be at most. So refrigerators cannot exceed 4X. There. And then we are told he must buy more than 10. More than. Now there is nothing like from 10. It is more than 10. So 11 and so on. Then we have that. Okay? See. Master, what is the core subject? What entails core subject? Are we there? Core subject, purchase. We have to purchase items, and these are their numbers. So number of items to be purchased. When you read it backward, it will always make sense. Then classification here, and then you come and do the constraint. Okay, that's good. Good work. That is how your graph will look like. Okay, your graph will look like this. You try and compare with mine. Don't bother about this. Just this. Okay. This is the second lesson where you have tried to get the subject, the core thing, classification, and constraint put in mathematical inequality. Next time, go back to 1, come to 2, and now finish. Get the answers. Bye-bye.